If you want to keep your home safe from fires and your dryer running efficiently, it's very important for you to choose the correct transition vent. The transition vent is the vent that connects your dryer to your actual wall. Most of the times when you buy a new dryer, they will install a plastic foil vent, and these are very dangerous. They could go on fire very easily. There could be holes burnt into them, and then all the dust and lint will be blowing throughout your house. And they're typically installed with these flimsy spring clamps that could get blown off just from the airflow of the dryer. So I've been doing dryer vent cleaning for about 8 to 10 years, and I only have one dryer vent, transition vent, that I would recommend, and that is Dryer Flex. They compact all the way down to a couple of inches, but they could stretch all the way out to up to 4 feet, or they also sell an 8-foot one. They don't carry these at Home Depots or local stores. You'll have to buy it online. So I'll leave a link down below for the Amazon link so you can get it. Now, these ones are crush resistant, flame resistant, and tear resistant. You could basically run them over with your car and they will still function well. Just make sure when you put them back, they don't get kinked up, because they are kink free, but you do not want it to get scrunched up. And this will protect your home from a fire, because God forbid there was a fire in your dryer, then this will protect it from spreading to the actual wood structure of your home. So it's very important. And the inside is a lot smoother than the plastic foil ones, so there will be less accumulation of lint and dust in there, so your airflow will be good. These are super easy to install, and if you want to see how to install it yourself, check out this video here where I show you how to do it correctly.